Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help?
I can't find my boarding pass.
No problem. Do you have your ID?
Yes, here it is.
What's your flight number?
245 to New York.
One moment.
Okay.
Here's your boarding pass.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I was so worried.
It happens all the time.
Good to know.
Your gate is 18.
Gate 18. Got it.
Boarding starts in 20 minutes.
Thanks for your help.
Have a safe flight.
Hi, can I help you? Yes, I like this shirt. What size do you need? Medium. Here you go. Thanks. How does it fit? It's too small. No problem. Try a large. Do you have one? Let me check. Okay. Yes, here you go. Great. How is it? Much better. Good. I'll take it. Great choice.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I think you're in my seat.
Oh, really?
Yes, my seat is 14B.
Let me check my ticket.
Sure.
Oh, mine is 14A.
Ah, that's next to me.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
I thought this was my seat.
It's an easy mistake.
Thanks for being nice about it.
You're welcome.
So you're sitting here?
Yes,
Great. I'll take the window seat.
perfect.
Excuse me? Yes? Do you have these in size 9? Let me check. Thanks. Yes, we do. Great. Can I try them on? Sure. Where can I sit? Right over there. Thanks. How do they feel? They're comfortable. Do you like the color? Yes. Great. How much are they? $60. They're on sale today. Oh, then I'll take them.
Hi, do you have water? Yes, it's in the cooler. Thanks. Anything else? Yes, I need a charger. Phone charger? Yes. We have these two. Which one is better? This one is faster. Okay, I'll take it. Anything else? No, that's all. That'll be $18. Here you go. Thanks. Can I get a bag? Sure. Thank you. Have a good one.
What time is the bus?
2:15.
What time is it now?
2:17.
Oh no.
Maybe it's late.
I hope so.
Let's check the screen.
What does it say?
Departed.
Seriously?
I think we missed it.
By 2 minutes?
That's terrible.
When's the next one?
3 o'clock.
An hour?
Almost.
Well, I guess we're getting coffee.
Good idea.
Well, at least we have time.
Exactly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you flying today?
Los Angeles.
Can I see your ID?
Sure.
How many bags?
1 bag.
Put it on the scale, please.
Okay.
It's a little heavy.
Oh, really?
Yes, you're 2 pounds over.
Can I take something out?
Of course.
1 moment.
Take your time.
Okay, try it now.
Perfect.
Great. Ordering pizza.
Hi, what can I get you? 1 large pizza, please. What kind? Pepperoni. Extra cheese? Yes, please. Anything else? Garlic bread. Good choice. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. Okay.
Eating here or taking it home? Taking it home. That'll be $24. Here you go. Thanks. Can I get some extra sauce? Sure. Thanks. No problem.